condition.
Good afternoon, Doc.
Macario. Sige, kita na. Check natin. Okay, inhale, exhale lang.
Normal ba, Doc?
So, based sa interview kay 50 pack years smoker na ka, di ba?
Hindi, Doc.
Then, based on the diagnostic examinations that we had performed, like the sputum AFB, the chest x-ray, and the pulmonary function test, ang result is hindi masyadong maganda, Mr. Nacario. Sinasabi dito ay meron ka daw COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease.